Zahir Khan. Zahir Khan, Ishan Sharma, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Ashok Dinda. The list is long. In the last 15 months, Team India have used more than a dozen bowlers. To talk more on this, we have with us former fast bowler Chetan Sharma. Chetan, welcome to NewsX.
No, thank you very much.
Chetan, so many fast bowlers in the last 15 months, more than a dozen. Do you see it's a good move by BCCI or and bad advertisement by the board?
I don't think so because I still remember from 1983 I started playing 79 Kapil Paji started playing. From that era till we retired in 1995. I don't think so. 19 fast bowlers have played for the country, and in last 1.5 years, 19 fast bowlers you can call it, or medium fast bowlers you can call it, have played for India. It means the stability is not there. Once as a medium fast bowler you don't have a stability, it means you are definitely struggling, and your country is not doing well if your fast bowlers are not doing well. 19 medium fast bowlers and fast bowlers been replaced in last 1.5 years. I was speaking to Kapil Paji and Ajay Jadeja the other day. It's not good for cricket.
Why is this so? Why so many fast bowler? Does captain does not have a belief on fast bowler, or else they are not performing well? What's the main reason behind this?
No, if a person, a fast bowler coming and playing for the country, it means he's good. You have to believe. You have to believe somebody you given a chance to play for the country. You have to believe. It means either change in selection committee every 2 years or 3 years. Either the selectors are not because this selection committee, I can see Roger Binney being a fast bowler as a selector. If you go past the selection committee, I don't think so any selector was a fast bowler. If you are not a fast bowler, you are not going to realize what actually goes through your mind, what goes through your hard work. If you're coming and playing for the country, you don't know what's going to happen. You have to go through the hardship in life to become a fast bowler. It's not easy to become a fast bowler. It's easy said and done, but it's very difficult.
In the past, we have seen Praveen Kumar, then Irfan Pathan. They came and they vanished slowly and gradually with their pace, with their swing. What message do you have for Bhuvneshwar Kumar so that he goes long and long?
Don't get injured. That's it. That's very important. Don't get injured. He's a good fast bowler. He know how to control the seam. He know how to swing the ball. If he's not injured, definitely selectors have given him a chance. Management has kept a faith on him. And if he's, don't get injured, serve the country at least for 3 to 5 years.
Thanks, Chetan, for talking to NewsX. So Chetan wants Team India to have a bowling coach in Lucknow with Vijay Vijayendra. This is Manish Kumar for NewsX.